your spacer, a bolt and a washer. That's 6mm Allen key. Right, now that blade, now you just tilt it a fraction to the side and it should just come straight out like that. There you go. 24 tooth. See? You just see there now. Yep. Just a craft right one. It's getting a bit dull. I might actually give that a sharpen. I've been checking out how to sharpen these, so I should be able to do that. Righto. Just grab the 60 tooth. Mr. Dada. We're going to go in from the top very carefully without touching. Actually, I might even go in from the bottom with this one if I can. Yeah, that's a bit better. In from the bottom was a smarter move with that one. Where's the blade? Yep. I better make sure that I was putting the blade in the right way. The only problem with these, there we go, got it. Yep, she's in. Alright, she's in. Right, first, the flat side of this, you will see there's a little lump on this one, and it's a divot on this side. Put the one with the divot facing inwards. It'll give you a nice flush push. It'll sit there like that, right? Now, washer, make sure it's on 6mm bolt. Goes in there. You'll be able to lightly tighten it at the moment, but you will not be able to fully tighten it because you do not have your thumb on here yet. Put your thumb on that button, get your 6mm Allen key again, lock, hear that? That was the lock in. And now, tighten that up firmly. And I do mean firmly, because you do not want that undoing. Right, there we go. That easy. Now, we have got 60mm blade in. And that should be all nice and straight away. Right. Now I'm going to stop you again. I'm going to move the camera again. Rightio, we're back up the top again. Now, I'm just going to close these doors to get them out of the road. Right. Now they're out of the road. Right, now we can install this again. I'll just push it straight in there like so. Alright. We'll get rid of that. I don't think that's really going to make much of a difference. It's because these ones here are 180s, the one that I had in it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's why. See that? It says 180mm there. Right there. That is why. By 2.4. These are a 2mm by 180, but it could 184. So because these are a 184, they're a fraction bit bigger. So is where this comes in. This takes a 185 blade, so I'm still got a millimetre clearance. And as you, it's not touching any metal, it's just touching the edge of the zero clearance, because this blade is 2.5 millimetres, which is wide. 2.5 is 1.75 millimetres wider on either side. So when I turn this on, that will get rid of that 1.75 millimetres very quick. Ready? Like I said. Now we've done that, we can drop this side again, and this here, right, now, he's touching on the inside of this now, because this blade, that, like I said, that 1.75 millimetres bigger on around us. So with that bit of a difference, it's only a little bit, but every little bit is a little bit. You put your fingers 1.75 millimetres closer than where they are there now, I'm going to get my fingers cut off. Do you see my point? Yes. So, I know. That's how easy it is to change my blades out. And as you hear now, no sounds, no nothing, and we're back. We should be back to a perfectly square blade setting again. So we'll check that as well while I'm here. Just setting my square at the moment. Which I'm pretty fucking happy with that. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. Righto. There you go, guys. That easy.